my mind when it comes to you. I take time with the ones I choose, and I don't wanna smile if it ain't from you, yeah. I know we be so complicated, loving you sometimes drive me crazy, cause I can't have what I want and neither can you.
You ain't my boyfriend, and I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to say nobody else, and I don't want you to say nobody. But you ain't my boyfriend, I ain't your girlfriend, but you don't want me to touch nobody else. Baby, I ain't tell nobody.
I wanna kiss you, don't wanna miss you, but I can't be with you, cause I got issues. Yeah, on the surface, seem like it's easy. Careful with words, but it's still hard to read me. Stress high when the trust low, bad vibes with the fun go. Try to open